So I want to do a comparison video between these two different fishing rod holders for my e-bike that I got off Amazon. So these ones first right here are the two that I got in a 2-pack. And so with these, you can see they're more of a bolt-on style, more of a permanent mounting, or semi-permanent, because you can always unscrew and take it off. But this one did have a little bit more mounting options with rubber gaskets as far as the pole diameter you wanted to mount it to, and then you could always get longer screws as well. So a lot of different semi-permanent mounting options here, but durability's been really good with these ones. And like I said, I got a 2-pack of these to mount more permanently to the bike, but then I wanted the option for a third fishing pole. And so I wanted something that I didn't always have to have on the bike. And so I found this one with an adjustable clamp that you can cinch down and then just unscrew right here, and you can take it off, and this screw just adjusts the clamp size. So it does limit you to the size that the jaws can open to as far as what you can mount it to. And then as far as diameters, if you can cinch it down, but it does get a really good grip on this one. Haven't had any issues with this coming loose using it. And then I like it just because it gives you an option that you can quick remove it if you need to, or if you want to move it to something else really quick, versus having to get out a screwdriver and unscrew those and then move them over. But just depending on what use you can use it for is which one I'd recommend you go with. But yeah, if you're looking for a more portable option or just something you can move 2 different vehicles quickly, this would definitely be a great option. If you're looking for a permanent option and double the capacity as well, this 2-pack with the threaded seats is a really good option as well. So yeah, definitely worth checking out these two if you're looking for a good fishing rod holder for a bike or anything with a pole mount.